Let's quickly solve this question that we have on the board. When you look at this first expression that we have here and the one that we have here, you will see that the difference, the binary operation that we have here is what? Minus, meaning that the type of logarithm rule that they applied here is what? The division, okay? So automatically this will become log in base 2, okay? Now, this first one will form the numerator, 7n plus 5 all over 3n minus 5, all in bracket, which is equal to. Now, for us to get this thing right, these expressions that we have at the left hand side is in what? In logarithmic what form. So we'll make this one to be in what? In logarithmic form. And when we do, we will have log in base 2, okay? These two that we have here, this base now, raise it to power 2. So when the log cancel each other, we will now have 7n plus 5 all over 3n minus 5 equal to 2 raised to power 2 means what? 4. So we now have 4 over 1. And when we cross multiply, we will have 4 times 3n. It will give us 12n minus 4 times 5. It will give us 20 equal to 1 times 7n will give us 7n plus 1 times 5 will give us what? 5. So the next thing that I will do now, we collect the like terms, which is 12n. When this 7n crosses this equality sign, the sign will change to minus. We now have minus 7n is equal to 5. When this minus 20 crosses, it will become plus. So we now have plus what? 20, which is 12n minus 7n will give us 5n. And the 5n is equal to what? This plus this will give us 25. We will now divide both sides by the coefficient of n, which is 5. Okay? And when we do, we will now have n as what? As 5. So the answer to this very question is what? 5. So you can practice this. Let's just assume now that they gave you this. Practice this. If we have log in base 3, if it is in base 3, 7n plus 5 minus log in the same base, base 3, okay, 3n minus 5 equal to 2. So you can practice this very question that we have here now. Practice it and drop your answer in comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.